Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I want to go over the driver's side power window switch that fits a variety of Dodge Chrysler vehicles from 2008 to about 2009 or 2010, depending on the vehicle. So what I want to go over with these switches, because there's three different switches that look very similar. There's this switch that has nothing written on it. There's a switch that looks the same and it says auto on just the driver's window. And there's another switch that says auto on the driver and passenger window. So what you want to do is, to make sure you have the right switch for your vehicle, is look at your factory switch and make sure it doesn't have auto written there. And then when you flip over and look at the back of the switch, this main big connector should have no pins. And this small connector should have 3 pins. Just like this one does here. If you scroll down on the product page here, you'll see a diagram that goes over the pin location, but you want to make sure you're ordering the correct switch. And then this switch, as you can see, includes the controls for the side mirrors, the windows, the window lock, and then the door lock as well. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to send us a message and we'll help you out as best we can.